Okay, doke. There goes Rosie. This is part 6, but who's really counting by now? You've probably turned on, changed the channel to some porn or something. Alright, here we go. Safety's on again. Runner and brakes on. That thing's on. Just got to wait now for the 4 taps. I wasn't going to do this one, but this seems quite a long run, so hopefully we'll get some good shots in. I don't think there's any river down at the bottom of this one though, but we should get some, maybe get another house in or something.
Sun looks big.
Yeah, it's pretty toasty now. Sweet! There we go then. Yeah, we're starting to get eaten alive by mosquitoes at the moment. The moon is already out up there. Right, we're just about to be followed, so I'm going to make this quick. Yeah, it's monkey time again, or gibbon should I say. Whoops, sorry. If you were really with me, that would have been on your bumps.
Only half a mile to go, Rob.
Ooh. Cheers. I'm gonna helping hand up there. Beaut. Yeah, that was, what was that, part 5? Were you even paying attention? Eh? Oh yeah, yeah, hang on.
You can tap before.
Oh, righto. Okie dokie. We'll see you again maybe in a few minutes for the last one. Bye for now.